we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're comparing the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Miele CM 6360 Milk Perfection, both super-automatic espresso machines. Right off the bat, the price difference is huge. The De'Longhi is way more affordable.
Yeah, the Miele is definitely a premium option. But let's dig into the specs. The De'Longhi has 13 grinder settings, which is pretty good. What about the Miele?
The Miele has an aroma-friendly conical grinder and a selectable grinder setting. It also has a coffee powder drawer, which is nice if you want to use pre-ground coffee sometimes.
Good point! And the Miele boasts one touch for two preparation, meaning it can make 2 drinks at once. Does the De'Longhi do that?
Nope, the De'Longhi focuses on single servings, but it does have 6 one-touch recipes with color icons, including iced coffee, which is cool. It also features a traditional milk frother.
The Miele has a similar milk frothing system, but it also lets you save your favorite drink settings in up to 8 individual profiles. That's a big plus for households with multiple coffee drinkers. Plus, it's Wi-Fi compatible.
Wi-Fi? Fancy! The De'Longhi keeps it simple. It's got removable, dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning, which is a major win in my book.
The Miele fights back with automatic rinsing of the milk line and convenient cleaning programs. It emphasizes its comfort clean feature too. Cleaning is essential. No one wants a moldy coffee machine.
True. And the De'Longhi is lighter, around 20.8 pounds, while the Miele is a bit heavier at 21.8 pounds. Dimensions are similar, so footprint-wise, they're close.
The Miele's water tank capacity is slightly larger at 1.8 liters compared to the De'Longhi, meaning fewer refills, and it has a double shot function if you need an extra kick.
Okay, so it boils down to this. The De'Longhi is a great value with easy cleaning and simple operation. The Miele offers more customization, advanced features like Wi-Fi and one touch for 2, but at a much higher price.
Precisely. It depends on your budget and how much you value those extra features. If you just want a solid espresso, the De'Longhi is a steal. If you're a coffee connoisseur, the Miele might be worth the investment.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.